Welcome to this short library lesson for Professor Kit Jenkins' Keys course, Food for Thought. I am Marianne Irwin, your course librarian. In this video, we'll explore how to search library databases to find peer-reviewed journal articles, the academic sources most requested by Webster University faculty. The library's homepage at library.webster.edu, you may find multiple ways to get help, including our most popular 24/7 chat with a real librarian. On this page, there are two blue buttons to access databases and research guides. Click the Databases button if you know the title of a database you want and select it from the list. If you need help selecting a database, we suggest you begin with the research guide for your Keys course. From the main guides page, search for the course title, Food for Thought. When accessing a database, you may be prompted to authenticate using your Webster SSO, your connections login. From the navigation menu on your Keys guide, select Finding Articles. Notice my contact information on this page. Please make an appointment if you need more in-depth help than the research desk or chat librarians can provide. On this page, I suggest that you begin your research with a database called Quick Article Search. This is actually a set of 10 subject databases that are searched simultaneously and allow you to get a feel for what different disciplinary sources are available for your topic. Instead of typing in a sentence like in Google, search for just the words or phrases that you would expect to find in articles about your topic. Combine these search words using and or. And narrows a search. It finds all or every word or phrase. Use it between different ideas or concepts. For example, farming and organic, to find less, though hopefully better, results. Or broadens a search. It finds any word or phrase. Use it between similar ideas or concepts. For example, farming or agriculture. In the quick article search form, I've entered food insecurity into the top search box. To focus, I've added college students into the second box, and between these two boxes combines the searches. This search found over 1,100 results. The most relevant articles are at the top of the list. Notice that you may use the Refine Results menu to focus your results. Here, you may select the Source Limit box for only peer-reviewed articles. You might use the publication date to limit to more recent articles. There is also a menu of subject terms or tags used by the database. Notice that the subject tag food security is used for food insecurity. In this search, I've added the terms or food security or hunger into the top box next to food insecurity. This search found over 2,000 results. At the bottom of the Refine Results menu, you may see which databases found the most articles. Check a box if you wish to look at your topic from a particular subject perspective. Another, even more efficient way to narrow your search is to add another term using and. In this example, I've added to the third search box the acronym SNAP, or its full name, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. This, along with limiting to peer-reviewed articles published in the last 5 years, brought my results down to just 25 articles, a more focused and manageable number. Select the title of an article to display its detailed record. Here you will find information needed to cite the item. You may also see an abstract, which is a summary of the article and each author's affiliation, which should support their expertise for writing the article. The Tools menu can help you to create a citation for the article in several styles, including APA and MLA. This citation may get you started on compiling your reference list, but be sure to check that it is formatted correctly. If you need help, there's a 24/7 chat box built into most databases. Under each item, you may see how to link to the full text of the article. Click the HTML or PDF icon to open the article text included in this database. Select the Full Text Finder or Linked Full Text icons for one-click access to the article in another database. If none of the library databases have the full text, select Request via Interlibrary Loan to open your Iliad account. Submit the form, and in 2 to 3 business days, we'll email you a link to the article in your account. Save it to your personal storage. That's searching in a nutshell. Let us know if we can help, and happy researching.